Greetings, all of my Soda Pops. It is me again, Popcorn TV, and welcome back to another speed drawing video. In today's video, I'm going to be speed drawing a few of my friends from Minecraft and a few of my friends I know in real life in My Little Pony form on my computer. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to leave a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become an official Soda Pop. And 3, 2, 1, draw! Yeah!
Be sure to subscribe to become an official Soda Pop.